One rental at a time community. This video is for you. 5% down conventional on 2 to 4 unit properties. You heard it here first. October 4th might be the 5th when this gets released, but I text Mike as soon as I heard this product was out there. The first people I thought of was the great community that is one rental at a time. For those of you that have been looking to get started in real estate investing, realized what a great hack it is to buy a multifamily as your first property. We know that Matt Hawkins is, very bullish on using FHA, 3.5% down, buying a 3 to 4 unit property. Guess what, Mr. Hawkins, lumberjack? We can now do 5% down conventional. It's coming November 18th. I'll share with you right here. This is Fannie Mae's November update dated today, October 4th, 2023, their release notes. Check this out. When I saw it, I had to read it twice. I had to, sit in silence for a minute because I know how much this will positively affect the trajectory of some people's investing careers. If you're going to buy your first property and you're able to do it with 5% down and immediately have a place to live and rental income coming in, I think it's a game changer. I think this is going to be huge. FHA, as great as it is, there's scenarios where it doesn't work. And I'm not saying this is better than FHA, but there's going to be scenarios in California where the self-sustainability rule for FHA kind of disqualifies you from doing 3.5% down FHA on a 3 to 4 unit, where this 5% down conventional might come in and save the day. If you talk to us, if you go to greatmortgagebroker.com and talk to me and my team, licensed in 48 states, rest assured we're going to put FHA 3.5% down, conventional 5% down side by side and figure out which one works for you. Another piece of advice, talk to your real estate agent. It might be that the property is only going to go conventional and you can't buy it with an FHA loan. So whatever the case may be, this isn't the replacement. This isn't the better than FHA. This is another option in those cases where FHA doesn't work. Self-sustainability rule, condition of the house, whatever the case may be. I'm stoked about it. I won't bore you with all the details in here. I'll just say that 2 units, owner occupied, used to require 15% down. 3 to 4 units, owner occupied, used to still require 25% down. Now 2, 3, 4 units, all 5% down. It might not be super legible there, but that's a sweet looking 95% LTV. Again, like you still want to look at the property and you want to make sure it's a good deal and you want to make sure you've got a payment that you can afford and all that. But a product, in my opinion, it's going to favor the real estate investor. So reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. greatmortgagebroker.com. I'm super hyped about one rental at a time community in general. I talked to one of you guys out in Texas today. I don't know if you want me to mention your name, so I won't. I'm talking to one rental at a time community every single day. And I'm excited. Q4 and Q1 of next year, we are going to go out there. We're going to find some great deals. You might even use this product. greatmortgagebroker.com. Reach out. We're happy to help. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.